Now it is another question that is asked in AKTU. So this question is come under the AKTU question paper. It is 2021-2022. There is a new question they are asked. And what is the question? Discuss the various cases for insertion of key in the red black tree for a given sequence in the empty red black tree. So let's solve this one. If there is 15, it is a second example, and it is also a question come in this year, in the current year. So insert 15. So when you insert 15, so it is newly node, so it will be first red, but it is a root, it is a Z, and Z is a root, so make it black, and it is resolved. Follow all the properties of red black tree. Now second case is insert 13. So it will follow the binary search tree. So in this case, it will be like this. 15 is already black, 13 is less than this. So it will be come out here. No issue because parent is black. And next is insert 12. When you go to insert 12, then it will look like this. 15, 13 is red, and 12 is also red newly. Now here it will violate the rule. So it is Z, it will parent of Z, it will be parent of Z. What is the Y, Uncle Y? Here Uncle Y will be nil, and it is the black. So Uncle Y is black and parent is red. So what we'll do? First step, make this parent is black. Next, make this uncle is red. Third, take the right rotation at the parent of Z. When you do this, what you get? You will get this. 13 will come here, and 12 is come here. 13 is come at the, sorry, 15 is at this side. So this is the situation. Now next is insert what, 16. So it will read where it go. Look like this. 13, 12 is as it is. 15 is as it is. Now 16. So Z is red and Y 15. 15 is parent of Z. It is a parent of Z. So this is the case. Here if you find out and Y is 12. Here you can see that this is also red, this is also red. So what we'll do? In this case, make their both parent and their uncle is black. In the next step, parent of parent is red, and appoint this parent of parent is new Z. So this is a new case. When this is there, what we'll do? So case is like this. 13 is red. It is 12. Here it is 15. Here it is 16. This is a new case. Now this is new Z. Now Z is a root, then just simply make it black. So here we make it black. So in next step, insert 19. Where 19 goes? 19 commit here. 19. So here it is black. Uncle will be black near. This is Y. It is a parent of Z red. It is a parent of Z. So what we will do? If it is black, y is black, and make parent black. First, make parent of parent red and take the left rotation. So when you do this, after inserting 19, it will become like this. 13 will be as it is. It was a new Z. 12 come here it. Now 16 will be their right child. 15 move on to left and 19 move on to right as it is. So it is a balanced tree. Now next step to insert 23. When you go for it, 23 solution and 23 insert according to binary search tree. So here both here it is a parent of Z. It is a new Z. It is a parent of Z. It will be the uncle Y. So what we'll do? Make this black, make uncle Y black, and make parent of parent is Z, red, and appoint it a new Z. So it is our new Z. So our tree look like? Tree will look like this. 13 is here, 12 is here, 16 is red, 16 is red, 15 commit here, 19 commit here, 23 is like this. It is and it is a new jet. It is still it is red. 23 will be red. Sorry for that. It still follow the properties of red black tree. Insert 5. So what is the case? Now in this we insert the 5. So 5 come here. So still it is because parent is black, so it is a balanced one. Now next is insert. It is the last key 8. So when you insert this 8 in this one, where it go? It goes here, and this is a new Z. Now its parent is red. It violates the rule of red black tree, and it is a right child of parent is a left child. So in this case, it is a parent of Z. It is a parent of Z, and here uncle Y is black, nil, and it is a black. Okay, so red and black. So it will do. So if this is the case, what will do? If this is the case, first is so Z become the parent of Z. Second, do left rotation. Third, go to case number 3. What is case number 3? We'll discuss further. So here, if you go for that in this way, then what will we make? It will like this. 13 is as it is. 12 is as it is. Now this 5 become Z. Now we will do this 5 become Z. First step. Then take the left rotation. When you do the left rotation, then this situation is change. What will that situation? Let's look it again. Now 8 come here and Z will be the left child of this one and rest will be same. There is no change in the rest of the tree. but still it is violate the property of red black tree. So now condition is different. Here it is a pair 8 is a now become parent of Z, and 12 is parent of Z, and uncle Y is again here nil, and this is at black. So in this case what we'll do, we make this parent is black, and parent of Z is red, and take the right rotation under it. So when we'll do this, it will become 13 is there, their left child will be as it is. So let's draw first, there is no change in it. 13, 19, 23, 23 is red, sorry, 23 is red in color. Okay, now do the, this is the same, now take the right rotation. So when you go for the right rotation here, so here 8 come at this place, and 5 will be at this place, and 12 at this place. So this is the case. So when you, now let's check whether it is follow the properties of red black tree or not. Here if you follow this path, first check it is a binary search tree or not. It is a binary search tree. Now check whether it is number of black tree in a path is same or not.